In this video, I will guide you through how to make your TikTok account private. If you care about your privacy and want more control over who follows you and watches your content on TikTok, this tutorial is for you. Let's jump right in. First, open your TikTok app and make sure you are logged in. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now look at the top right corner for those three horizontal lines and tap on it. From here, select Setting and Privacy. Now scroll down and find the Private Account option and tap on it. Here you will see an option called Private Account. Simply toggle the switch next to Private Account to turn it on. And that's it. But before you click away, here is what actually happens when you go private. First, only people you approve can follow you and see your videos or likes. Second, your current followers stay exactly where they are. So if you want someone gone, you will have to remove them yourself. And finally, people won't be able to duet or stitch with your videos anymore. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Comment below if you still have any problem. Thank you.